1. 2019, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft will buzz by the most primitive and most distant object ever explored. New Horizons encounter with Kuiper Belt object 2014 MU69, which orbits a billion miles beyond Pluto, will offer the first close-up look at such a pristine building block of the solar system. New Horizons will fly about 3 times closer to MU69 than it did to Pluto in July 2015, allowing the spacecraft's cameras to provide a more detailed look at the object's surface. Both 2014 MU69 and Pluto are in the Kuiper Belt, is a disc-shaped region beyond Neptune that extends from about 30 to 55 astronomical units compared to Earth, which is 1 astronomical unit, or AU, from the Sun. There may be hundreds of thousands of icy bodies and a trillion or more comets in this distant region of our solar system. The first of these strange bodies, which astronomers call Kuiper Belt objects, KBOs, came to light in 1992, discovered by Dave Jewett and Jane Liu, a pair of scientists who didn't believe the outer solar system was empty. Beginning in 1987, they had doggedly scanned the heavens in search of dim objects beyond Neptune. It took 5 years, looking off and on through the University of Hawaii's 2.2-meter telescope, but they finally found what they were after, a reddish-colored speck 44 astronomical units from the Sun, even more distant than Pluto. That discovery marked our first glimpse of the long-sought Kuiper Belt, named after Gerard Kuiper, who, in 1951, proposed that a belt of icy bodies might lay beyond Neptune. It was the only way, he figured, to solve a baffling mystery about comets. Some comets loop through the solar system on periodic orbits of a half-dozen years or so. They encounter the Sun so often that they quickly evaporate, vanishing in only a few 100,000 years. Astronomers call them short-period comets, although short-lived is more to the point. The ones beyond Neptune, Kuiper speculated, never stuck together, remaining instead primitive and individual. Nowadays they occasionally fall toward the Sun and become short-period comets. Because Kuiper Belt objects are so distant, their sizes are difficult to measure. The calculated diameter of a Kuiper Belt object depends on assumptions about how reflective the object's surface is. With infrared observations by the Spitzer Space Telescope, most of the largest Kuiper Belt objects have known sizes. The parent body, Haumea, apparently collided with another object that was roughly half its size. The impact blasted large icy chunks away and sent Haumea reeling, causing it to spin end over end every 4 hours. It spins so fast that it has pulled itself into the shape of a squashed American football. Haumea and two small moons, Hi'iaka and Namaka, make up the family. In March 2004, a team of astronomers announced the discovery of a planet-like trans-Neptunian object orbiting the Sun at an extreme distance in one of the coldest known regions of our solar system. The object, 2003 VB12, since named Sedna for an Inuit goddess who lives at the bottom of the frigid Arctic Ocean, approaches the Sun only briefly during its 10,500-year solar orbit. Since Sedna's orbit takes it to such an extreme distance, its discoverers have suggested that it is the first observed body belonging to the inner Oort cloud. In July 2005, a team of scientists announced the discovery of a KBO that was initially thought to be about 10% larger than Pluto. The object, temporarily designated 2003 UB313 and later named Eris, orbits the Sun about once every 560 years, its distance varying from about 38 to 98 AU. More recent measurements show it to be slightly smaller than Pluto. The discovery of Eris, orbiting the Sun and similar in size to Pluto, which was then designated the 9th planet, forced astronomers to consider whether Eris should be classified as the 10th planet. Instead, in 2006, the International Astronomical Union created a new class of objects called dwarf planets and placed Pluto, Eris and the asteroid Ceres in this category. The spacecraft is continuing deeper into this region of icy debris and is on track to fly past 2014 MU69 on Jan. Thanks for your watching again. Please like, subscribe to watch more videos, and let your feedback at comment below. Thanks.